This tutorial is to help you create your first assignment in AulaViva. When you are logged in, you will create your new assignment by clicking on the red New Assignment button on the top right. This will take you to your assignment builder. You can start by titling your assignment. Within the builder, you have question types. You have access to all of these tools if you have the Pro subscription. And then you have access to everything from graded questions on down if you have the basic subscription. Here you can click the question you want to add, and the red button that says Add Question will allow you to insert that question. You can also insert questions in between questions by selecting the number of questions you want and the style of question you want. And then you click Add. Each question type has its own formatting bar, answer key, and setting options. You can also set the points in each question. You are able to move the questions around within the question section here, and you can also write yourself some side notes. These are private and do not show up on the student side. You have the Back to Assignments button, which will lead you back to your assignments link. You have the Delete button, the Save Assignment button, and then you have your Preview button, where you can get a similar rendition as the student view. You have a To the Bottom button, which takes you to the very bottom of the assignment builder. And then you have the To the Top, and the same buttons from the top. You have your Settings panel, where you can randomize questions. You also have support notes throughout the builder to help you with questions you may have. You can display question numbers. You can display point values. You can show accent boxes for students. You can select which language. You can require the accents or not require them. You can require case sensitivity, ignore punctuation. You can turn on kiosk mode. This will disable right clicks, copy, cut, paste, and any common shortcuts for students. You can also enable kiosk mode, and this will allow you to monitor student activity during assessment windows that are enabled by you. You can assign the assignment to each class. When you assign the assignment to a class, you can assign to individuals within that class. You can also allow access between certain dates and times, as well as you can set a time limit for the assignment. You can select the feedback, whether you want score, summary, and answers only for students, you want score and summary table, score and summary with highlights, score only, or you don't want any feedback for students. And you can also include what attempt you want in the gradebook: first attempt, last attempt, or best attempt. And you can share the activity or the assignment with teachers. And when you have an assignment selected, you can modify the access windows and the feedback, the attempts, and the include in gradebook options by class and by student. When you finish adding your assignment questions, you can click Save, and then you can view any errors that might be visible, accept them, correct them, and then you can exit your assignment.